Suffocation is a serious and potentially life-threatening condition that occurs when an individual airways is blocked, preventing them from breathing. This report provides an overview of suffocation, its causes, symptoms, treatment, and prevention. Suffocation is defined as the deprivation of oxygen leading to asphyxia or hypoxia. There are several types of suffocation, including 1. Mechanical suffocation. Blockage of the airway by an object such as food, a pillow, or a plastic bag. Number 2. Environmental suffocation. Inadequate oxygen supply in the environment such as in a sealed room or at high altitudes. Pathological suffocation. Blockage of the airway due to a medical condition such as tumor or an infection. Number 4. Traumatic suffocation. Blockage of the airway due to an injury such as neck injury or head trauma. Causes of suffocation. Choking on food or objects. Choking on food such as nuts or hot dogs or objects such as marbles or coins. Number 2. Sleeping position. Sleeping in a position that blocks the airway such as sleeping on one's stomach. Number 3. Plastic bag suffocation. Using a plastic bag to suffocate oneself or another person. Trauma or injury. Suffering a head or neck injury that blocks the airway. Number 5. Medical conditions. Having a medical conditions such as sleep apnea or a tumor that blocks the airway. Here are the symptoms of the suffocation. The symptoms of suffocation can vary depending on the cause and severity of the condition. Common symptoms include: number 1. Difficulty breathing, feeling like one cannot breathe or is having trouble getting air. Number 2. Coughing or gagging, coughing or gagging in an attempt to clear the airway. Number 3. Blue discoloration, blue discoloration of the skin and lips due to lack of oxygen. Number 4. Loss of consciousness, losing unconsciousness or becoming unresponsive. Treatment of suffocation. Treatment of suffocation depends on the cause and severity of the condition. Common treatments include first aid, providing first aid such as the Heimlich maneuver or CPR to clear the airway and restore breathing. Number 2. Oxygen therapy, providing oxygen therapy to increase oxygen levels in the blood. Number 3. Removal of obstruction, removing the obstruction such as foreign object from the airway. Number 4. Medical treatment, providing medical treatment such as medication or surgery to treat underlying medical conditions. Prevention of suffocation. Prevention of suffocation involves 6 steps to reduce the risk of suffocation such as choking prevention, taking steps to prevent choking such as cutting food into small pieces and supervising children while they eat. Number 2. Sleep safety, practicing sleep safety such as sleeping on one's back and using firm mattress.